In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reconcile multiple transactions in Xero. 5 minutes. We'll use Xero's cache coding view to reconcile a batch of bank transactions quickly and accurately. This is perfect when you've got a pile of similar expenses or deposits and you want them coded in one go without clicking through each line. Start by opening Xero in your browser and signing in. On the login page, click Login, enter your email and password, and complete any multi-factor prompt if it appears. Then click Login again to access your account. If you manage multiple organizations, make sure you're in the correct one before moving on. From the main dashboard, locate the bank account you want to work on. The tile will show your bank feed and unreconciled items. Click Reconcile Items to open the bank reconciliation area. Next, switch to the Cache Coding tab. Cache coding shows your bank lines in a spreadsheet-style list, which makes bulk updates fast. Before you select anything, scan the columns for payee, description, date, and amount, so you're confident these are the transactions you intend to reconcile. If you only want to bulk code a subset, you can sort or filter first. Otherwise, continue. Select all items shown in the list. With everything highlighted, review the coding fields that will apply to the selection, such as the account, tax rate, tracking categories, and contact. This is the key step. Bulk reconciliation is efficient, but it's only correct if the coding matches the nature of those transactions. For example, group routine bank fees to a fees account, or group fuel purchases to travel or motor vehicle expenses according to your chart of accounts. Add a concise description or reference if you want the same note on each line. When you're satisfied, click Save and Reconcile Selected. Xero will apply your coding to all selected lines and reconcile them in one action. If any items can't be processed, Xero will flag them so you can review individually. A confirmation prompt will appear. Click OK to finish. You'll see the reconciled count update, and the remaining unreconciled lines will stay in the list for your next pass. That's it. You signed in, opened the bank account from the dashboard, jumped into cache coding, selected the right lines, and reconciled them in bulk. If you don't see reconcile items or cache coding, check your user permissions and confirm your bank feed is connected and up to date. Keep your coding consistent, and you'll keep your books tidy in just a few minutes.